What's up guys, this is a quick unboxing for the Adidas EQT Support Advance. So these are actually running trainers and I bought them from Amazon for £65 and I will leave a link in the description below. So right, I'll open it up and show you what they look like. So this is what they actually look like when they come in the box. And I'll get it out and show you what they properly look like. So right, this is the actual trainers, and like I said, they are running trainers, and honest to God, they are really light. I cannot even feel the weight in my hands, they're that light. Right, I'll quickly show you around them. So this is the side of them. This is the back of them. I like the design actually, they're pretty cool. I like the three Adidas stripes, the way they've done them. I do like that. I still can't believe how light it is actually. This is the other side, and it's actually made out of a cloth material, so you can feel everything inside. So on the front of them you can see that they're really soft, and ideally they are for running. I've turned the light on, so I'm just going to give you a quick look around them again. And that's the back of them. I do like the design actually, they're pretty cool. So underneath, this is the sole, and like I said, I did buy this from Amazon for 65 quid, and I will leave a link in the description below. I have tried them on and they are very comfortable. They're really comfortable, and like I said, you can't feel them on your feet at all. They're that light. So right guys, this is a quick unboxing, and I'm just trying to think of what else I can tell you. Oh right, basically, as you can see, it hasn't got a tongue on it, it's all built in, so it's all one unit, so that's pretty cool. So I don't know how long or how well they will last, only time will tell, but yeah. So basically this is just a quick unboxing to show you, if you're interested in buying them, just to show you what they look like close up. So I'll quickly show you around them again. That's the front of them. That's the other side. So yeah, I'm looking forward to testing these out. I've only worn them around the house. I didn't want to get them mucky because I wanted to do a quick unboxing with them. So right guys, that's about it. I don't know what else to tell you. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying them. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.